Hello Leos, welcome to my channel Surabhi, and in this video let's have a look as to what's in store for you for the month of July. And as these are general readings, they won't be resonating with each and every one of you, so just take what resonates and leave the rest. And for the personal readings, the details are given in the description box below. So let's see what is the overall energy for Leos for the month of July. Okay, I'll take this one. We have the Six of Swords. So Leos, it's about releasing something or letting go of something. Let's see what that is. Okay, so you are choosing peace basically. You are, whatever you are leaving because you want peace now. Let's see what that is. So we have the King of Swords, sorry, the King of Wands, the World, the Chariot. Okay, maybe you are actually moving geographically also or relocating. It can be that also. We'll see. Oh, three major cards here. So we have the King of Wands, the World, the Chariot, the Hangman. Okay, the Three of Swords, the Eight of Cups, the Nine of Cups, the Ten of Pentacles, and the Moon. Okay. The Eight of Wands, let's see, going next. So Leos, what I feel here is there has been a passionate start for something, whatever it was in your life, and once you had put all your energy, all your enthusiasm, and all your passion into something or someone, and it was definitely things start moving very fast, things start rolling very fast. It was just a new beginning or a new chapter of your life. Everything was at a very big pace. So it's like 100% energy into it and 100% results, sort of everything very good, everything moving very smoothly, very fast. So rapid action, rapid entry into a new phase of your life, whatever it was. So it was definitely like you knew you can do it. It was something really close to your heart. Okay. I don't know why I'm getting the vibe that whatever it was which was started, which it was started out of all passion, but not that much of emotions, or if it was a relationship, for example, if it was a relationship, it was something which was based on uh, outer beauty or something superficial, something like that. Okay, deep inside it was not that much of emotions or something like that. It was all because of, perhaps what I'm getting here is, it wasn't thought of deeply or intuitively, or I don't know, or felt, I should say. The vibe which I'm getting here is dead inside, though there was a lot of passion outside. Okay, it wasn't coming from your heart, you can say that, as simple as that, but you did it, you wanted it for out of the passion, and you invested 100% into it, and things did get, you did get the results for that. But somehow after an initial great pickup, for some reason things came to a halt. Suddenly it was a pause and a heartbreak. Okay, obviously it had to be like that because things were not felt before you moved into it. Everything was based on a very superficial type of a maybe because of the beauty of the person, maybe because of the money of the person or the status of the person. So deep within, things were not felt, there were no emotions, and everything was done on the basis of the passion, which was because of everything superficial and exterior, rather than feeling it from inside. And you could do it, but ultimately it had to end, and that is what happened over here. There was a definite heartbreak. Things suddenly came to a pause and everything was stuck, and you really felt a great heartbreak, and ultimately you decided that there is no point, things are now not moving forward, you feel heartbroken, you are really grieving the loss of the situation, how things have turned out. And then ultimately you decide to move away with the 8 of cups, with the 6 of swords. You're definitely, that is the only decision you could take over here, because there is no point in staying in a situation which is just not moving forward and is causing you a lot of agony. So, and once you are able to release it, you are experiencing the joy and the stability in your life. Okay, so once you release this situation, once you are able to release this, whatever this was, which was just from the point of view of exterior or external things or superficial things, once you let go of it, you realize that you feel happy, you are happy, you feel very content, you feel blessed, you feel sort of stable also. Maybe you are even getting the support of your family in that, it can be that. So whatever it is, once you are able to release it, you are getting that stability and happiness. That's what I would like to say. Okay, at least within you. Okay, and even though you really don't know how things are going to move forward, but what I feel here is that once you are able to let go, you are moving forward intuitively. There may be times when you feel as if you are drowning emotionally, and when you think of the past, there may be those times when you really feel that you are getting drowned emotionally. But then yes, intuitively you know that you have to release this situation. So even though the things are not very clear, you're following your intuition, and slowly and steadily, that's what I feel, you will I think come out of this sort of I should say transient depressive sort of moment or sulky moments. That's what I feel. You will be able to get back on track. That's what I'm trying to say. And there is a passionate communication coming in here. So that's what I feel. You, once you are able to release this situation, you will feel happy and stable, even though there may be transient times when you are feeling bad and upset or depressed, but then you will be okay. Let's see what is the message from this. The 8 of diamonds. So this is, once you are able to do the work, this is the comfort which is achieved after hard work. So that is what you have to do. Slowly and steadily you need to understand what is right for you and what is wrong for you. Guidance from the angels. Create number 3 may be of some significance for you. Creativity and abundance. Dear one, you are being called to action. You are ready to accomplish great things and truly come into the fullness of who you are. It's time for great creativity, giving birth to beloved projects and becoming a parent. Follow your passion so that abundance and prosperity may manifest you. So maybe for those of you who are looking for a relationship, this, once you are able to release this situation, maybe, as I said, maybe you're getting the support of the family, so maybe you're feeling happy and stable, so maybe actually you are getting a family for yourself. It can be that also. So Leos, I'll be exploring this reading further, and the link for that is given in the description box below. You can click the link and follow me on Patreon and listen to it if it resonates with you. And for those of you who wish to be with me till here, then thanks for joining me, and please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Bye. Thank you.